And hello guys, my name is Mateo. Welcome back to my gaming channel. And today, Sobrang Diyos. Tara! Saan ang tablet ko? Saan ang tablet ko? Wait lang guys ha. Give me 1 second. Hello. Tara na guys. Tagal na ba hindi Roblox? Di kasi Roblox! Ito na mobile ko. Guys, tayo na tayo. Tapos yan. Boo! Ganda. Okay. Tapos pwede lumabas. Pero magkakaan. Narinig niyo yan, guys? Ito. Own game ko.
Nutrition experts say, for a productive day, you need a good breakfast. Sagot yan ang Energen. Feeding sa nutrition. Busog ka with 50% more cereal. So filling, so good. Kompleto ang breakfast with Energen every day.
Hey guys, I'm here in South Central. Centro Signal Barangay here in South Central Signal with my little brother Kuya. Hi guys. And we're here at the Palengke, guys. We're gonna find Kyle some of his first groceries here at the Filipino wet market. Tara na, guys. Magkano? Pwede 300, 250? Gusto niya kung humingi kung pwedeng 20 para sa talo. Pwede, guys, we're here in Western Bikutan, where the shout-outs are loud and the traffic is vibing. And you said the grocery store is this way? We're going to go to a Filipino wet market. Also known as a
Nagagawa ka ng on-game ko.
not a grocery store. Well, it's a grocery store, but it's a Palengke. Oh, is this like a wet market Palengke? This is kind of like a, well, you'll see. This is just like the out fringes.
Bawal lumabas.
So we're gonna be at the wet market in Western Bikutan, guys. Oh, hey. Guys, we came at the perfect time. It's 5 freaking o'clock on the Saturday before Easter. And here we go, guys. We're gonna come around the corner and we're gonna see the Palengke of Western Bikutan. Just get blinded by the sunlight.
Do you have a light sensitivity? I feel like I have a light
Oh, we have blue
sensitivity.
eyes.
Yeah, but like
Wala rito.
my eyes almost hurt when it's this bright.
Yeah, that's your blue eyes, bro.
Yeah.
They light colored eyes let in more sunlight.
I mean that, but
Because we developed them in Europe. This is the problem with light colored eyes, guys. We get blinded.
like it literally hurts. Like my eyes are flexing too much to like shrink the iris.
That's for getting all the light coming in, guys. So, Kyle, what did you say you needed today at the Palengke?
I want to get meat, vegetables. I need a bimpo.
Well, this is it. This is the heart of the beast. Oh, well, here. Wow.
Tas,
This is like
ayan na.
the outer skirts of it. It goes all the way right there.
Do you see that crowd?
Yeah. So keep your back in your front.
Ba't hindi makakwit?
Busy or normal?
This is normal. Ano po? Buhay pa. Pogi pa rin.
Player.
It's got a switch right out.
To player. To player.
So anyway, you can get everything you need here, Kaka. You can get coconut telephone.
To player.
You can get clothes. You can get food. We're about to go into the belly, guys.
Tara.
So there's a big wet market
Random.
up there. Hello po. Kumusta? Shout out.
Random tayo. Yo, random.
Okay, guys. This is
Tara.
what we're looking at. People-wise. Okay, so you need chicken, veggies.
Bona!
Chicken, veggies,
Kailangan easy yan.
So, this is very
Bona
important,
ako.
Kaka. As, hello po, shout out. As foreigners in this country, it is expected that when you go to the wet markets like this,
Ito.
oh,
Nakarandom
you
pala.
get tawad. Tawad is where you hackle. It's expected that you don't have to go down to hacking, but this is what I do.
Tika, 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 wait lang. Tika! Tika, wait lang.
So if you are able
Uy!
to pay 60 pesos for a
Diyan
kilo
ka lang, diyan ka lang, diyan ka lang.
veggies
Diyan
down
ka,
to
diyan ka.
30
Juk,
kilos, we give them
Juk,
30 kilos and then
juk,
I'll give them
juk,
another
juk,
100 pesos
juk,
because it's
juk.
we're able to share the blessings and these
Juk.
people are not selling veggies and wares to
Juk.
get rich, they're selling it to survive. Sure.
Tapos
So
juk.
I'm a big fan of haggling, but also
First W! Paldo!
fun experience, but then we're also gonna leave nice big tips for
Tara.
everyone. So as you can see, I like everything over here.
Tika, tika, tika.
You need electronics.
Pam, 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 pam. Ito, uy! Niyempo. Tot, 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 tot. Tara!
Okay, guys, we're about to get a little crazy.
Uy,
This seems kind of like a freeway. Right side is that direction, the other right side.
It is whatever we want it to be.
trap ako, trap ako.
So you can see here they got clothes, they got
Oh,
veggies, they got, so what veggies do you so
uy, tika, tika!
Broccoli,
Thank you.
It's
Oh.
surprisingly hard to get.
Oh.
There's cauliflower right there, and broccoli.
And broccoli.
So
Uy.
why don't you start by saying, walking up to this guy and saying, Mahal.
Mahal pizza.
Yeah.
Paldo!
Sino mananaligaw? Sino naman gusto mo kayo?
Pag ako, sinunod. Panoy! Diyan ka. Teka. Oy! Dito ka. Oy!
Magkano is how much? And you just point to whatever you want.
Teka, malalagot ako. Lagot ako. Teka. Oy! Teka.
250 per kilo.
That's how the guys do.
Together, how much though? Like,
He'll weigh it. Oh, well, they have a scale.
$147. Can you do 100? Go on, Bob. Come on, good
Ah.
enough. Go on.
Kalawa. Uy! Paano yun?
Please. 100. I'll do
Oh.
it right now.
Headshot.
Wala, ano yung totoong presyo? Yung hindi na presyo pang-apan? 1.5?
Oh, tikya.
Okay. He was.
Bidurian.
Was you serious?
Uy. Kalawa. Oh.
And you just tell him,
Uy!
Keep the change.
Wait lang. Diyan ka lang. Uy, thank you. Diyan ka na. Tika.
Thank you.
okay. You got your broccoli and your...
W.
You got your broccoli and your...
Yeah, that was so much cheaper than what's the store that I went to?
SM.
SF.
Yeah.
So much cheaper.
So this is...
Like for this much,
Okay.
cauliflower was like 200 pesos.
Yeah. So SM is obviously going to have a markup. Here's another shopping store.
Let's go.
But I mean, they can't have a huge markup with the freaking street market out.
Uy, huwag ka dito.
Generally, like I have chicken and maybe some beef would be nice.
Dito, boss.
Is this fish shipped in or is it like local?
I mean, yeah, shipping from the ocean, which is 20 minutes away.
Diyan ka lang. Diyan ka.
Because like these little markets in like
Thank you.
walking into the state.
Thank you.
Yeah, they usually,
Thank you.
I'm not sure you
Thank you.
Thank you. Who
Uy.
purchase all the fish from the fishermen.
Yeah, I don't think. I'll be honest. I don't think they can really afford to have middlemen in India.
Maybe not. Okay, so here
Uy.
we have one of the larger meat shops, Kyle. Put it on.
Tika.
Beef shop. There must be, and it is a bunch of punky.
Tika, diyan ka lang.
You can
Uy,
see they've already got prices. Walang maano dito, walang prices na dito.
diyan ka lang. Uy, paano ka nakaano?
Nice. So what kind of chicken are you looking for?
Ground chicken or chicken breast? I'm not seeing chicken breast. Oh, here's some. It's the.
Uy.
You're
Oh.
definitely gonna find bone in here. Unless you go to the supermarket,
Oh.
that'll have bone.
Sometimes.
Bye, ang pag-iiliw.
Piece is 140 kilo or 140 pesos. 5 pieces of chicken for 145 pesos. So this isn't really the average.
Uy.
You can still ask.
So I can get 5 chicken breasts for 145 pesos. That seems like.
Uy, na-dodge! Paano yun? Na-dodge!
So that's per kilo. So if this is a kilo, that's 140 pesos. Or you get 5 pieces, like the small
Uy,
pieces.
diyan ka. Patay ka na dyan.
Like look at this.
Patay ka. Uy.
Chicken. She's gonna decide what you want first, ask her, and then she'll weigh it.
Chicken Sefiro.
2 kilos?
Yeah, that's only like 4 meals.
Okay. Bahala ka dyan.
I go through like 200-300 grams of
I
chicken
had
a
it.
meal, and I do that twice a day.
Uy!
Get her attention because everyone's just gonna keep shoving in front of you. There's points here.
Yeah, and I think